From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air in your home? Waking up with a scratchy throat and dry skin? I've got the solution for you, the Vornado Evap40 Evaporative Humidifier. This thing is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its easy setup, you'll be up and running in no time, and the super comfy mist-free air it produces is just amazing. The Vornado Evap40 is designed for large room coverage, up to 1,000 square feet, which is perfect for my living room and bedroom. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are numerous. For one, the large 4-gallon dual tank system delivers up to 4 gallons of moisture output daily, providing extended runtime and fewer refills, which is a huge plus for me because I hate constantly refilling my humidifier. The built-in adjustable humidistat with 3 speed settings allows for precise humidity control, so you can customize it to your liking, and the sound it makes is so quiet, you'll barely even notice it's on. The low-maintenance design is also a big win. The removable, leak-proof water tanks are simple to refill and maintain, making this evaporative humidifier perfect for busy households. I've used it in my bedroom at night, and I wake up feeling so much better. My skin is no longer dry, and my throat isn't scratchy. I've also used it in my living room when I have guests over, and it's been a total lifesaver, especially during the dry winter months. The Vornado Evap40 is definitely a better option than other humidifiers on the market. It's just so easy to use, and the results are amazing. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Vornado Evap40 Evaporative Humidifier. It's been a total game changer as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.